Welcome to our channel. If you want to switch between subscription services and take advantage of subscription swap promotions that include free trials, follow these step-by-step instructions to make the transition smoothly. Step 1. Identify subscription services offering swap promotions, where canceling your current subscription with a competitor gives you a free trial of their service. Look for these offers on service websites or promotional emails. Step 2. Visit the official website of the new service you're considering and look for landing pages specifically advertising switch and save or swap your subscription promotional campaigns. Step 3. Review the swap offer details carefully to understand what's required, such as proof of your existing subscription or a requirement to cancel your current service before claiming the new trial. Step 4. Gather any required documentation, such as a screenshot of your current subscription confirmation email or billing statement showing your active subscription to the competing service. Step 5. Click Start Your Trial or Switch Now on the promotional page to begin the registration process for your new subscription service. Step 6. Create an account with the new service by entering your email address and setting a password. Some swap offers require you to use a different email address than the one associated with your previous subscription. Step 7. Upload or provide proof of your existing subscription as required by the swap offer. This may involve submitting documentation through a form or emailing customer support. Step 8. Complete the registration process and start using your new service with the extended free trial period offered through the swap promotion. Cancel your old subscription if required to maintain eligibility. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.